AutoCAD tutorials, object snaps. Object snaps are a method for creating new geometry using old geometry, or moving things, or copying things, whatever the case might be, using existing geometry. I'm going to draw a line. I'll start out in space here. To use an object snap, you must first be in a command, such as move, copy, line, circle, whatever. After you're in the command, Control right click and you'll get a context sensitive menu. You can see endpoint, midpoint, intersection, apparent intersection extension, center, quadrant, tangent, perpendicular, parallel, node, insert, nearest, none, and settings. At the top, object tracking, from, between 2 points, and some point filters. I'm only going to talk about a few of these. If you want to explore, please feel free. First one I'm going to talk about is the endpoint. So I've started out here in space somewhere. I want to go to the end of this line. Notice how this square box shows up. That shows the endpoint. I can click there. Notice how also it's kind of sticky. I kind of just move into there. I'll enter once, enter again, get back into the line command, Control right click, endpoint. I'm going to start up here where I left or started last time. And I'm going to go Control right click and select midpoint. Allows me to go to a middle line. Notice the triangle. Anywhere I click on that line will go to that midpoint. Enter twice, get back in the line command, Control right click. I'm going to go endpoint to start here again. And Control right click, I want to go to the center, allowing me to go to the center of a circle. If I touch the perimeter, it will put an object snap circle at the center of the circle. That's when I can click. Alternately, I'll Control right click, center again. If I click on the perimeter, it puts the object snap at the center of the circle. I must go to the perimeter of the circle to get the object snap to work. Another circular object snap would be quadrant. That allows me to go to the top, the bottom, the left, and the right quadrants of a circle, and it puts a little diamond icon up there. Another circular object snap would be tangent. It allows me to create a line that will be tangent to a circle. I'll enter twice. I'll create a line starting out here. Actually, I want to be tangent to start with. I'm sorry. Notice I don't have a destination selected yet. I click anywhere along this circle and it will create the line absolutely tangent to wherever my cursor is going to. Now this line is exactly tangent. Control right click, I can go perpendicular. If I want to draw a line that is going to be perpendicular to another line, if I click on that line, these two lines now, this line, the vertical line, and this horizontal line are absolutely perpendicular to one another, meaning they're exactly 90 degrees to one another. Now they don't intersect, that's okay. Back to the line command, start out here in space. I can go nearest, and the nearest will give me absolutely any point along this line or along the circle, along anything I want to. Control right click, intersection. That will give me the crossing. Gives me a little X, gives me the crossing of any points.